Welcome back to the Residential Grading and Servicing (RGS) pre-consultation meeting. In this final session, we will be discussing municipal servicing. Connections within city-owned right-of-way, ROW, covers connection from main line to property front line. Servicing work must be done by the city or through a servicing agreement with the owner. Connections within private property must be maintained by the owner. Plumbing must also comply with the Ontario Building Code. Work must be done by the owner's contractor with a valid building, plumbing permit from BSD. RGS checklist items number 39 to 52 apply to service connections in the right-of-way, ROW. Checklist items number 39 to 42 outline, to show location of all existing service connections, utilities, and infrastructure, which is based on utility locates and servicing locates. Checklist items number 43 to 52 outline, to show location and design of proposed new service connections. These must include minimum vertical and horizontal separation distances, design details, including pipe length, material, diameter, inverts, crossings, limits of asphalt and road restoration per criteria in item number 52. If you plan to upgrade services, this section becomes critical and must be followed. Reuse of existing municipal service connections is strongly recommended by engineering, if feasible, where water service must have adequate diameter for proposed fixtures. Condition assessment is required for existing sanitary or storm services, which can be done by Markham Waterworks or by a qualified CCTV technician that must provide report and video files for Waterworks review. Reuse not permitted if existing sanitary or storm connections are clay pipes. Damaged Y connections, for sanitary service. The city construction season is between May 1 to October 31 annually. For new municipal service connections, done by the city, the estimated cost is between $25,000 plus or minus $10,000 per connection. This includes fees, taxes, deposits, contingencies and full row restoration. Work is done by city's lowest bid contractor to minimize cost. Each estimate and quotation is subject to annual review and change and expires at the end of the season. The cost is the owner's responsibility and must comply with Markham's sewer use bylaw. After building permit issuance, city can request a site-specific quote for the next construction season. This quote depends on site-specific factors, including pipe specifications, depth, nearby utilities, restoration scope, TPZ impacts, etc. An alternative to city-managed installation is that the owner may choose to enter a municipal servicing agreement, MSA, to hire their own qualified contractor for service connection work. Where the city does not provide cost or timeline estimates for owner-managed work. All logistics and pricing are handled between the owner and their contractor. This option involves more administrative and technical requirements, including increased number of inspections and certifications must be submitted to the city. Higher percentage of securities, deposits, and fees compared to city-managed work. Full-time inspection is required at the owner's expense. The contractor's qualifications must be reviewed and approved by the city. The owner is also responsible for obtaining all permits, utility locates, and clearances before starting any work. The owner becomes the project manager, assuming full responsibility for compliance with city standards, execution of all work, and coordination of inspections and documentation. Despite this option, many owners ultimately request the city to complete the work after evaluating the complexity and responsibilities involved in the MSA route. Thank you for attending. If you have questions regarding the consultation or RGS process, please email them to rde@markham.ca. Meetings are only scheduled for formal inquiries, not informal reviews. We're here to support you through the RGS process and help you move forward with your project.